Hello YouTube, it's me, Cash Waller again, and today I'm making a video of my vacuum cleaner collection. Okay, so this is my Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. So this is that. My Bissell Powerlifter Rewind. My Bissell Readyclean Powerbrush. My Bissell Hard Expert. My Bissell Powerforce Compact. It's kind of broke. My Bissell Powergroom Helix Rewind. And my Bissell Hair Eraser. My Bissell Powerforce Bagged, which I'm planning to sell. And I have a Bissell Powerforce Helix, which is back. And my Bissell Proheat 2X. My Bissell Proheat Multi-Surface 2X. I haven't made a video about that, but that's the older model. The bottom spray part is broken, so you can only use the hose. But my Bissell Powerfresh steam mop right there. Hold on, let me get over here. I'm sorry. I just have a really small room right there. And there we go. So these are all my vacuums, guys. I know it wasn't long, but and I'm gonna start over. My Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. My Bissell Powerforce Compact. Bissell Hard Expert. My Bissell Powerlifter Rewind. My Bissell Powergroom Helix Rewind. My Bissell Readyclean Powerbrush. My Bissell Hair Eraser. My Bissell Powerforce Bagged. My Bissell Proheat Multi-Surface. My Bissell Proheat 2X Multi-Surface. And my Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop. Bye guys, see you in the next video.